Welcome back to our channel Fun with Family. Today is a Sunday morning and what best to utilize the time by making a DIY kit. It is useful for your kids, it is fun with your kids and it is a lot of excitement. Aryan is going to tell us what are we going to make.
We are going to make a motorboat.
Exactly. Before we start this exciting activity today, what I want you to do is put the country you are staying from in the comment section. This is for us to know where our viewers are coming from. And I recommend you watch this full video because this is very exciting for your kids and your family to enjoy and pass time over a weekend. So this is the kit which we have received. This is the DIY kit and we are making an electronic motorboat. We have purchased it from Lazada and you can also do that. We'll put the link of that in the description for you to order as well. Now Aryan's going to actually remove the items one by one. So Aryan, can we start putting everything out? Okay. So the first thing he's trying to remove is this. This is the float and we are placing it here. Can you put the next one please? Okay, this is like a sticking thing for the float. Oh yeah, this is I think the main floating item where we're going to put the motor. So we're going to place it here. You remove the other items please. Okay, so what we've got is these are the motors, like these are the wheels connecting to the motor. So when it moves, it's going to actually push the water behind. And what else do we have, Aryan? Oh, so this is a tying knot. And we have some sticks, again the sticking paper. What else? Oh, this is the DIY kit. Can you remove the other things please? This is the DIY kit and again it's in Chinese but I think it should be easy to follow. Oh yes, this is the DC motor. Yeah, this is the DC motor. So you're going to place it here.
Oh yeah, one more.
One more, this is one more tying knot which we're going to place it here and this is where the battery is. So the battery is going to power the motor and then the motorboat is going to move. What Aryan and I have done is we fitted the double-sided tape on the bottom of the boat and this is the float which is going to fit here, which is going to keep the boat floating, but this is the last step. What next we are going to do is actually fit the top of the boat and Aryan is going to show us the battery. And battery also has the double-sided tape. Aryan, can you please fit it in this box? Okay, so we see Aryan has placed this perfectly on this boat. And now we are going to step number
2.
Yay! So now we are going to fit the motor and these pedals which are there for the motor. And now we are going to do
Step number 3.
Okay, let's do. Can you fit this here please? Okay, this is done. Can you fit the other one? Not like this. Okay, I'll fit it, it's fine. Yes. So you see? Now can you move this? Wow, this is the motor. Aryan has already started playing with the wheel and the motor as you can see. Now we are at step number
4.
Okay, so what we've done is we've connected the motor and we've connected these wheels. As you can see, there are wires from the battery which now has to connect to the motor. And then once that happens, this motor will start moving and pushing the water behind for the boat to move forward. Yes, so you connected the battery. Can you press this? Is it moving?
Yeah.
So now we've reached the final step of making this motorboat. You remember we had made this double-sided tapes here. What we are going to do is now we're going to fit this over here and then we will try to float and we'll see if it's working.
Now we are not dead.
Okay, so what we are going to do is, Aryan, see here? We are going to fit this on this. And you see it has been fitted.
Working the boat ride.
Enjoyed this exciting activity with your small kid, and you can do it at your own place as well. This improves their cognitive and analytical skills, which is very useful, and in this time when we are working from home, this is a good activity to do with your kids. If you've done similar activity with kids, please mention it in the comment section for others to know what all things you're doing and others to enjoy. Once again, thank you for watching the video. If you like our channel and our content, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Adios.